Welcome back to Rolling Legends, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury cars on the horizon, the 2026 Audi A7 Successor. If you thought the current A7 was a masterpiece of design and performance, just wait until you see what Audi has planned next. The 2026 A7 Successor isn't just a facelift or mild evolution, it's a bold leap into the future. Audi is set to reimagine this executive fastback with a sharper, more aggressive design language, drawing heavy inspiration from the brand's latest e-tron concept vehicles. Expect a lower, wider stance, sculpted bodywork, and digital matrix LED lighting that not only looks incredible but adapts to your surroundings in real time. Audi's design team is doubling down on sleekness, sportiness, and a stronger emotional appeal, making this the most dynamic A7 yet. Under the hood or rather, beneath the floor, the A7 Successor will ride on Audi's updated premium platform electric, co-developed with Porsche. That's right, the next A7 will be fully electric. This move aligns with Audi's mission to go fully EV by the early 2030s, and the A7 Successor is expected to play a key role in that transition. Early reports suggest multiple powertrain options, starting with a dual-motor setup delivering around 500 horsepower and all-wheel drive as standard. There's also talk of an RS variant pushing over 700 horsepower, targeting performance EVs like the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Porsche Taycan Turbo. Range-wise, expect upwards of 400 miles on a single charge, thanks to a next-generation 100-plus kilowatt-hour battery pack and ultra-efficient energy management. Charging will be lightning fast too, with 800-volt architecture allowing for 10 to 80% top-ups in under 20 minutes at high-speed stations. Inside, the 2026 A7 Successor is going full digital and ultra-premium. Think OLED displays, eye-driven personal assistants, and sustainable materials throughout. Audi is also introducing a new generation of autonomous driving tech, potentially allowing hands-free driving in certain conditions. And yes, there will still be that unmistakable Audi refinement: silent cabins, rock-solid build quality, and a ride that balances sport and comfort in perfect harmony. The 2026 Audi A7 Successor is shaping up to be a true flagship, a showcase of everything Audi stands for in the new electric era. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Stay tuned, because the future of luxury performance is arriving sooner than you think. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more from Rolling Legends. See you next time.